How to fix Scorn crash unhandled exception access violation. 1. Remove third-party peripherals from your PC. Additionally, remove their drivers. 2. Run sfc/scano command as admin. 3. For Windows 7 users, Google, download and install DXVK and VKD3D into Scorn's installation folder. Possible path, Scorn. /binaries /win64. Enter DX11 under launch options. Like this. 4. Install/repair the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. 5. Ensure your PC meets the game system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if possible/needed. And install the latest GPU driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.